If your mornings feel like a race against the clock, making eggs, toast, pancakes, and bacon separately can turn breakfast into a messy kitchen marathon. Busy parents don't need another appliance that takes up space and adds work. They need something that actually saves time. So does the GreenLife 3-in-1 breakfast maker station make hectic mornings easier, or is it just another countertop gadget? The GreenLife 3-in-1 breakfast maker station is designed for families who want a faster way to prepare breakfast without using multiple pans and appliances. It combines dual griddle cooking surfaces with a built-in toast drawer, giving you a simple setup for making a complete breakfast in one place. For parents trying to get everyone fed before school, work, or a busy day begins, the goal is pretty straightforward: less cooking time, fewer dishes, and a smoother morning routine. The first thing you notice about this breakfast maker is its compact and colorful design. The pink finish gives it a fun look that stands out from the usual black and stainless steel kitchen appliances. It feels more approachable and family-friendly rather than like a heavy-duty commercial machine. The build quality is lightweight enough to move around easily, but still feels stable on the counter thanks to the sturdy base and rubber feet that help keep it from sliding during use. The ceramic nonstick cooking surface is one of the biggest highlights. Instead of worrying about food sticking or spending extra time scrubbing after breakfast, the coating makes cooking and cleanup much simpler. It is also designed without PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium, which gives health-conscious families extra peace of mind when preparing everyday meals. The tempered glass lid is another practical touch because it lets you keep an eye on your food without constantly lifting the lid and losing heat. In everyday use, this appliance is built around convenience. You can cook eggs on one side, prepare pancakes or bacon on the other, and toast bread underneath at the same time. For a busy morning, that means fewer steps and less time moving between the stove, toaster, and countertop. The built-in timer is helpful because you can set your cooking time and focus on packing lunches, getting kids ready, or handling other morning tasks. The performance is best suited for normal family breakfasts rather than large batches. It handles everyday foods like eggs, sausage, pancakes, and toast well, especially when you value speed and simplicity over cooking restaurant-style portions. Noise is not really an issue because there are no loud motors or complicated functions. Maintenance is also straightforward since the non-stick surface reduces cleanup, making it easier to put away after use. Of course, this breakfast maker is not perfect. The compact size is convenient, but it also means you cannot prepare a huge breakfast for a large group all at once. Families with several children or people who regularly cook big weekend breakfasts may find the cooking area a little limiting. It is also not a replacement for a full stovetop or a larger griddle if you need maximum cooking space. Compared with other breakfast stations and countertop griddles in a similar price range, the GreenLife stands out because it combines multiple functions into one small appliance. Many alternatives require you to buy a separate toaster and cooking surface, while this unit focuses on keeping everything together. If saving counter space and simplifying mornings are your biggest priorities, that combination can make it a better value. The GreenLife 3-in-1 breakfast maker station is a great fit for busy parents, small kitchens, and anyone who wants a faster breakfast routine without adding complicated technology. It is not the choice for cooking massive family meals, but for quick weekday breakfasts, easy cleanup, and fewer kitchen steps. It solves a real, everyday problem. If you're looking for a simpler way to handle busy mornings, check the link in the description to see the latest price and availability. And if this review helped you decide whether this breakfast maker fits your kitchen, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more honest product reviews, and come back for more practical recommendations that make everyday life easier.